Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some sausage and cabbage in the slow cooker. Just be 3 ingredients plus the seasoning. So let's get crocking. I'm going to use half a head of red cabbage, half a head of green cabbage, and a package of 11-ounce package of Portuguese Linguica sausage. This is pre-cooked, but you could use any type of sausage that you like. And also for seasoning, just some kosher salt and Johnny seasoned pepper. I cut the cabbage up into little wedges. You can kind of cut it whatever size you like. And then I put the sausage on top. I cut it at an angle so I got like bigger looking pieces, longer looking pieces. I will just sprinkle on a little bit of kosher salt, and then a little bit of the Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, there's sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Just do a little now, and then I might have to add a little bit more when it's done. Now we'll get the lid on there. Oh, and I didn't add any liquid at all, just the cabbage and the sausage. I think it'll make liquid as it cooks. So now we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It's been 2 hours. I'm going to check on this. All right, see how the cabbage is doing here. I don't like it mushy. It's still got some firmness to it. I'm just going to kind of stir it all up a little bit, and yeah, it's still kind of firm. I'm just going to stir it up a little bit here and then put the lid back on. All right, that's all stirred up. I think it needs to cook just a little bit longer. I'm going to season it with a little bit more salt, a little bit more of the Johnny's pepper, and get the lid back on there for just a little bit longer. It's been another hour, so this has been in there 3 hours total now, so let's take a look. That looks good to me. That's about the texture I like it. And see how much liquid is in the bottom. I don't know if you can see down in there very good, but there's a pretty good amount of liquid, of juice, just that cooked out of the cabbage and the sausage down there in the bottom now. So like I said, I didn't add any liquid at all. It just made liquid on its own. So let me grab a bowl and we'll try some out. I put some of this in a bowl with some brown rice. Everything looks kind of purple from the red cabbage. The red cabbage kind of turns everything a little purple there. I think the red cabbage seems to have a little bit of a firmer texture than the green. But anyway, let's try a bite with the sausage here. That's good. If you haven't had linguica sausage before, it's kind of tangy. It has red wine vinegar in it. I like it. It has a lot of flavor. I also think the red cabbage is a little bit sweeter than the green, but I like it. Give Annie a piece of that linguica sausage and see what she thinks. Want to try some linguica, Annie? There you go. Pretty much inhaled. Well, that was good. I probably could have put 2 packages of sausage in there though. Seemed like once it cooked down there wasn't really that much. So you might want to use a little bit more sausage. Or like I said, you can use other types, you know, if you prefer kielbasa or andouille or whatever you like. Anyway, I'll write all the ingredients in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.